A green light for Ulez expansion. The High Court ruling today it was legal, disagreeing with the 5 Conservative councils that had brought the challenge. Hopeful that the judicial review that was heard in the High Court would be successful for them. They say they weren't challenging the merits of Ulez, but rather how the mayor has gone about plans for expansion. The judge today, though, saying the mayor's expansion decision was within his powers and that while the consultation conducted was not in depth, it was lawful. The 5 local councils involved, Hillingdon, Bexley, Bromley, Harrow and Surrey County Council, now have to decide whether to launch an appeal.
It's disappointment, as I said, but it's always a hard choice. It's always going to be difficult to win on this particular grounds. But we will continue to fight it. Our options are not over yet, and it hasn't actually been rolled out yet. So we will fight it in every legal way that we can to make sure that we fight for our residents in Bromley and across outer London in particular.
In a statement today, the London mayor called the decision good news. He's been in listening mode since the political ramifications of the expansion plan became clear when an Uxbridge and South Ruislip by-election seat went to the Conservatives in a win largely attributed to an anti-Ulez expansion sentiment amongst voters.
Next week, we'll be massively expanding the support Londoners receive. Every family in London, that's almost 1 million families who receives child benefit, will be eligible for support from next week. Every small business in London will be eligible for support from next week, and every charity in London will receive greater support from next week. The High Court confirmed today that 9 out of 10 cars in outer London already are compliant, so they won't pay a penny more from August 29th, but will see the benefits of clean air. But for those that may have a vehicle that's non-compliant, I'll carry on listening and working with them to find new ways to support them.
With the High Court win behind him, the London mayor is sticking to the core policy of the scheme. And, for now at least, it seems the Ulez expansion will go full throttle ahead to be implemented by the end of August as planned.